Today for the XRP price, let's see here, guys. Let's see what has happened since a couple of weeks ago. Let's extend this line over here. Boom. See right here. Told you guys that if the XRP price was following this descending rounding wedge you see right here. I told you guys that this will be strong support. You see here, boom, lost it, then regain it again. Now it made a fake out. That was a fake out, bear move to the downside, fake bearish move to the downside. Now it regained this support. And I told you guys that if this move is going to lose its support and complete the target, then the target will be all the way down around this 18 cent range right here. So right now you can see a fake out upside. So right now that's a good thing in the really short term, because it's regaining this potential support as still support and now resistance. But the thing about this right now is that because of this move, right now the XRP price is starting to form lower lows here. Okay, remember guys, here the XRP price maintained this mid to long term trend, higher high, higher lower highs here, then here, and then here. But now it's starting to break all of those lower highs, and now it's starting to make lower lows. Boom. Okay, so you have to watch out for that. So right now, definitely this falling wedge pattern has been invalidated right here. Okay, it broke out exactly, even found resistance there, the boom breakout confirmation around this level because of this range, then try to go to the upside. But the problem with the XRP price is that the Bitcoin price is also not moving, and usually just because it's a XRP doesn't mean it's gonna move by itself. It is going to do that after the Bitcoin price makes a huge move. But if the Bitcoin price doesn't make a huge move and just keeps consolidating, going to the downside, then the XRP price most of the times will not go to the upside unless it's on a euphoria stage. Euphoria stages only come during the final stages of the bull run. This is not a bull run right now. This is a bearish trend to the downside for the moment, okay? But that's why you're seeing this movement right here. And so I'm gonna extend also the resistance line over here, right here, so you can see there. And here in the daily time frame, this XRP price is making this horizontal triangle pattern right here, as you can see right here. If we zoom in very closely here, see here, this is the pattern which the XRP price is doing. This will be the new pattern, like so, like this. And look at that, the XRP price is starting to break out of this horizontal triangle, which is a good thing, because if this breaks out in the bearish side, then this will be like a bearish pennant like this, and then this will lead to more continuation to the downside. But for the moment, and that will be measured from here to, let's say here, and then boom, continue to the downside like this. And then that will put the price target around this 24 cent range, which will make a lot of sense, because that 24 cents range, it's a very good area for gematria support, because this XRP price follows very closely the gematria numbers, like 24, 33, 13, and so on. And sits, you can see right here, 33, beautiful. Let's see here, let's see here, 47. Yeah, but that 33 is very common for most gematria investments. So right here you can see, boom, this will be the potential target if the XRP price starts to loosen the support and then starts to loosen this wick. Then this will be the price target all the way down around this 24 cent range right there. And if the XRP price can find a continuation to the upside like this, this will be the conservative target. Here will be the price target, and it's just so beautiful, perfect confluence with that previous support now turning into resistance, and that will be a retest of this resistance on this pink line. This pink line is very important, because why? Because these huge touch points are on June 22 June 22 2021, and here will be on June. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And July 20, 2021, those were the bearish moments on the market. And if you extend this over here, it will conclude with this trading range around here, like you see right here. And so now that has lost support, and you can see even the price has followed that price movement very closely. You can see right there. Here didn't hold support, but it then confirmed a resistance exactly to the body candle close, and immediately after it closed that daily body candle close below the pink line, fake out to the upside, and then boom. Just that's how it goes when you lose that strong support. Right now this will be both targets right here. Let's see here. Potential target will be around here and here. If it breaks, if it keeps continuing pumping to the upside like this, a continuation, it will be all the way up around this 50-cent range, and that will be a good bounce, medium bounce. It's not a big bounce, but it's something. Okay, it's something. And if the XRP price loses the support, which is around, let's see 40-cent range, and starts going below this 38-cent range, then most likely this will head to the downside like this. If it can't hold this wick as support, this 33-cent range, and most likely that's going to get retested because of the wick, and the Bitcoin price also has a big wick, so that's gonna definitely be retested. No doubt about that. When you see big wicks like that, eventually, no matter, it's like this, it's destined to happen in the chart. That's like a graph law. You cannot keep going to the upside if you have a big wick like this, and the body candle close doesn't retest at least most of this wick. If that doesn't happen, that's just always going to retest. That's what the chart said, okay, most of the times. And so that would be in the very short term right here. Now it's pumping. You see right there, perfect rejection. Like it's there. Look at that. Support here. Resistance, support, now resistance, and broke out. Potential retest around this 41-cent range, and then boom, continuation to at least this price target around this 50-cent range right there. And also it concludes with the descending brownie wedge you see right here. So it will be like this. Boom. You see here, it's just perfect resistance, fake out to the downside V shape, and then strong resistance will be all the way up around this 51-cent range. And if this gets very bullish out of nowhere, then strong resistance will be around this 50-cent range right here, like that. And if it breaks out, then look for the bullish continuation to the upside using this descending brownie wedge. But since we're on the downtrend, you have to watch out for those bullish breakouts, because now the most likely scenario is for bearish breakouts to complete compared to the bullish ones. Because when you're in a downtrend, most of the bearish breakouts on patterns complete, and very few bullish breakouts on the patterns complete. When you have a bullish trend, then most of the bullish patterns in middle of that movement to the upside of that upward trend, then it will most likely, most of those patterns will complete in the bullish way and not in the bearish way. So let's see right here, guys. And also right now it's very bearish. Using the short-term and mid-term analysis for the XRP price, let's see right here. You can see that this moon phases indicator is just so obvious. Just look at this. up, down, a little up, and just down like that. And the big up, down. This was a continuation because of the Bitcoin price, and yeah, so on. But this moon phase is very close tied to the Bitcoin price also. Using the EMAs, no, the simple moving averages, this is just very bearish. Like 200 simple moving average is all the way up around this 78-cent range. But right now, those are just the simple moving averages are just very bearish right now. So just until the XRP price doesn't make a big move, it's gonna be the same. Let's see here. This will be, I will extend this resistance. Also, this will be strong, very strong resistance around this 70-cent range. Very strong, wow, resistance. Because of this trend line coming all the way up around this, and then this, then here potentially. That would be strong resistance. I'm gonna delete this descending wedge because it has been invalidated, so it has went below here. And this, if this descending rounding wedge breaks to the upside, then the technical price target is supposed to be all the way up around this 85-cent range. And that can happen if the Bitcoin price starts going to the upside. This will most likely mean that the XRP price will complete these patterns around these levels right here. Right now, in the very short term right here, it's just waiting until it's not breaking out right now. This will be a trading opportunity right now. This will be a bearish triangle, a bearish pennant like this, and if it loses support here, then the price will be all the way down around this 24 to 25 cent range, 24 cents to 25 cents range. And if the XRP right now, the XRP price is break out to the upside, and if it's going to continue to the upside, it is supposed to complete this 50 cents area. Okay, if it ends up being a fake out, expect this target. First, this support around this 33 cents range also coincided with this descending rounding wedge support, and also if that doesn't hold at 33 cent range, expect for this 24 cent to 25 cents range to be completed. Okay, and oh wait, whoa, this would mean here. Now this bearish price around this descending rounding wedge will not make sense if it's not going to what's that? Well, that's less than a cent. No, if this support doesn't hold, this target for this descending branch is not going to be met unless you think XRP is going to zero. Which is not going to happen. No, my opinion, it's not gonna happen. Okay, but if you expect that, then this will be the price target around less than a penny. If you believe XRP price is going to zero, which is not going to, too much evidence to suggest that's not going to happen. So I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, I know that's not going to complete, so it's okay. Horizontal support, let's see right here. Yes, this range, strong support. That 18 cent range, very strong support. But yeah, right now that's what I'm seeing right now in XRP price. It's just XRP price has a lot of work to do if it wants to start being bullish. But I'm expecting more consolidation and potentially going to the downside, because it's just, if the Bitcoin price goes down and no SEC news comes where the XRP price wins the case, then XRP price is just going to consolidate and go to the downside, and that's the truth. Okay, but I'm very okay with it, because I'm gonna keep accumulating, because it's just this, when this explodes to the upside, it just explodes. Okay, this is just opportunity, so you can get your long positions to the upside, obviously. Yes, but I mean, in the long term, you want to hold this. This is the future. You have a lot of bullish news on this XRP price. It's collaborated with the Federal Reserve. It's used by Bank of America, American Express. You have also countries using this. It has a, oh my gosh, it's so obvious. It's so obvious, but that's why when you have obvious bullish fundamentals, usually you will see those investments suppressed, usually. most of them. This is a very good example. This is a very good project. Like, this is the type of project to be on top 5 cryptocurrencies right now. But that's the thing. Right now, it's not the time for that to be on that spot just yet. Okay, it used to be for some time, but right now, eventually, it's gonna regain that back. No doubt about that. That's my opinion, and because using evidence, but hey, XRP is not decentralized, not complete. It's not decentralized, but hey, it's a good investment, so it's okay as long as it makes money, and it's a very good investment, and it has a very real world use case, and especially the use cases is being used right now, and by the governments. It's obvious. Why are you not going to invest in this if you're looking for a good cryptocurrency investment? Just because it's not decentralized doesn't mean you can't make money on it. So it's just so hey, it's not financial advice, but hey, it's the truth. Okay, it's the truth combined with my opinion. But most of my opinions are combined with facts, so that's why most of my opinions are facts. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, you know what I mean. So it's not. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price. We can also look at this at the weekly time frame also. Just a second, and look at this. Let's see right here. Then this is the weekly time frame for the XRP price. I'm gonna do. Let's see if this has confluence there. This. Kind of. Let's see here. No pattern here. But as you can see right here, using the daily time frame, even if the line is not connected, using the weekly time frame, but in the daily time frame it's connected. But you can see right here, a little bit body candle close, weekly body candle close below that. We gain this as support, which is a good thing. And look at that. Let's see here. And so yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price, guys. So in other words, a lot of consolidation. So this XRP price is not going to do. It's not going to mostly do almost anything right now. It's gonna most likely keep ranging, potentially heading lower to retest these levels, and then from there on, when the pattern surges, then it's gonna that will be the continuation to which the pattern indicates. Right now, the only bullish thing would be if this resistance breaks around this 50-cent range, breakouts, confirm, and continuation. That will be the bullish case. Right now it's 42 cents. So right now it's just a waiting game. Waiting, okay? You have to be patient, okay? This is not something that you make money in 1 week, okay? You can do that, but with a very high risk, which in the long term would not be favorable for you. It will not help you, because what helps you in the long term is not having high risk things, is having less high risk things. That's the point. High risk can work in the short term very few times, but eventually in the long term it will not. You will lose that eventually. So that's why you have to be in very safe and very fundamental good cryptocurrencies. My opinion, it's your choice, but in summary, that's how it works, and that's what the truth always has been with cryptocurrencies, and because of my research and my experience in this. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price. And so yeah, guys, also, let's see, the simple moving average is right here. This one. Weekly simple moving average, it has lost that support. Let's see right here. The most likely scenario is for this to retest this 200 simple moving average around this 48 cents. And it also has confluence with this 50 cent range. That will also be confirmed as resistance most likely, or even make a fake out. Oh yeah, right now, just short term to mid term bearish. Long term, it's still making kind of higher highs, but right now, this is a very fundamental driven cryptocurrency. So when it wants to explode to the upside, it just does. You can see it right here. Let's see here around this 5 cents range. Okay, here, boom. When it wants to explode, it's just explodes. Boom. That's so funny. Look at that. The previous all-time high from this chart is 3.30. Look at, that's why I'm saying that 3 is very important. That's some. That's so funny. That was the top here in the 2018. Oh my gosh, that's just so funny. And now support on that 33 cents. Oh my god, that's just so funny. Oh my gosh, it's that's what I'm saying. Those numbers are very important using these investments. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so that's the summary. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoy this YouTube video, guys, share this YouTube video, guys, with other people that enjoy cryptocurrencies and are looking for the XRP price and what's going to most likely do in the short term, mid term, long term. So, and also leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.